Hi everyone. Now to talk about English and Vietnamese. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about the differences between English and Vietnamese. English is very different from Vietnamese. The sounds are different, the grammar is different, and the writing is totally different. It's very difficult to speak English well. If you want to speak English well, you must get about the differences. Just write correct sentences until you're used to them. The more sentences you can list out, the better you can express yourself. If you believe in yourself and writing crazy everything, you will make it. You will conquer English. Vietnamese is the most difficult language in the world.